everyone. This is Baljinder Singh Rathore, immigration lawyer. Today, I'm going to discuss with you an unsuccessful story converted to a successful story. How could this be possible? Because we always adhere with our plan A and plan B for our clients. And to share the story with me today is Amrpreet and Mohini. Welcome, both of you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Yes, first of all, you both are looking very good. And I just wanted to know, starting from Mohini, I think the first call you received from where you got introduced to us and how the initial thing was a bit unsuccessful and how we converted into successful. Then we will switch to Amarpreet, starting from you, Mohini, first of all. I like you. I know that day one when you came on a Zoom with me, discuss your things. Your smile wasn't there, but today I can see the smile on both of your face. First of all, congratulations for you getting the visa.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
sir.
so much.
Thank you.
Yes, Mohini, if you just remind me that time when you got introduced to us.
I guess it was Guru Nanak Jayanti.
Yeah, Guru Nanak Jayanti. On Guru Nanak Jayanti, from Guru Nanak Jayanti onwards, it all started basically. And then, first of all, we get to know about you, and we thought to be in touch with you.
We both were at our workplace, and suddenly she received a call from someone that we need to do something with this your company, and suddenly she came to know about that. I received a call from solicitor from London. So
Yeah,
I was
it was regarding a sponsorship
Yeah.
for certain hours.
yeah for
Yeah.
advertisement and sponsorship for certain hour on the television screen.
From that only we get to know this.
Yeah. So on next day, when I visited my office, I just searched that number, which was the number which Mohini talked to last at around 6 in the evening. So from there, I take your number, and within a day or two, I first we spoke about that. What are the possibilities for the student those are here in UK right now, apart from post-study work visa, those are not in in that slabs. So at that stage, in the month of November 2020, we first spoke about this. And yes, it was the first meeting was, yes, you have this much opportunities, but with your capability and with your possibilities, for which route would you like to go ahead? So I guess it was in third meeting, I guess we finalized that yes, we should go with innovator visa.
Yeah, the good thing was that when in November when you initially spoke 2020, skilled worker visa wasn't there because it came in January 2021. Yeah, so because Mohini was a master student and Amanpreet, you was the dependent. And initially, because being of master degree holder, you were planning to do the startup visa or an innovator visa, and we
Yes.
both of you were able to make a plan, and we approached a few of the innovator bodies as well, and we got the positive responses on that. Amanpreet, if you just mention, tell your experience about the innovator responses which we shared with you.
Yeah, if you talk about the innovator sponsorship, yeah, innovator visa was something like the thing which we read on internet, on government website. When we will start working on that the working process is totally different, because you have a guidance of your solicitor, Rathore Saab, and the Rathore Saab team, who is very not I'll say that they are available on time. I'll say they are with you. They are with you every time for your any query, for any question if you have, or any doubt if any doubt came into your mind. So that the journey which we started for the innovator visa, for my application, it was like that. Yes, we will set up all our business here in the UK. We started with the proposal. We started with the introductory perspective of the business, and later on, if we went to go ahead with endorsement company, so what type of questions might endorsement company should ask us about our business, about our growth, about our revenue and generation of the business, and how much capital you are planning to input into your business. So these was something core things which we need to be stick as we are mentioning into our profile, we need to be stick on at the time of interview as well. But yes, the team was very good. The explanation of the team, the transformation of things which are on the paper, and it should be reflect in you as well in during your interview. That was something which was perfectly went. But yes, God knows what is going to do next.
Yeah. So what exactly happened? I mean, at the last moment, although all the plans were submitted to the innovative to
Yeah,
endorsing bodies, but at the
yeah,
last moment they simply declined the
yes.
proposal, and there were hardly few weeks left in
Yeah.
expiry of your visa,
On
and because being very proactive, you know that we always kept a plan B for you, and
yeah,
immediately we went for a skilled worker visa. And luckily, in between, the skilled worker visa also came during
definitely.
2020 and 2021. So we were able to switch you to a, and you as a dependent. We made you a main applicant, and you switched you into the skilled worker visa. How do you explain that experience?
But when we got the rejection from the endorsement company, so at that time we got scared.
Yeah,
So at some point we got scared that what will be, okay, we had the plan B with us, but still we there was
Yeah,
some
yeah,
confusion
I
in our
understand that.
mind that it will work, it will go ahead or no. So we were in,
I still remember
dilemma.
on 8th of April when I got that reward from that endorsing body.
Yeah.
She called me. Have you seen that email? I said, not. I'm on work right now. So suddenly, when I saw, I'll just message you. You told me just come on Zoom meeting at 4 p.m. So we were at 4 o'clock at Zoom meeting. You asked me, where is Moini? I can't see her. I told you that she's sitting just behind me, but she don't want to come and speak because she was a little bit depressed. It could happen. It's a human nature. But yes, it was 8th of April when we started with our plan B, and on 8th of May, our visa was going to expire.
Yeah.
But within another 2 weeks, we were on the table with Rathore Saab to just fill our application for skilled worker visa.
And I think within a month you got your visa, which was also very very
Even less than a month, I guess. Even less than a month.
less than
On
a month.
26th we were,
Yeah,
And
and
from April we have started basically the process, and on 26th of April we applied for visa,
and
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 have
by
got
on
our
20th of we went for BRP, and within
yeah,
3 or 4 days we just
we
got the
got
email.
our
you got the visa.
so
So
it was very
I,
fast.
I want to see the exact reaction, Mohini, because you just mentioned about your regret of getting refused by the endorsing body. But what was the reaction as soon as you saw that email of the visa?
That reaction, it was unbelievable for me because at first point I read the email twice and thrice, and
Okay.
then and then I was, in my mind I was just judging myself that okay, it's successful, it's successful. I was not sure that I have read the email correctly or not.
And then you called Amanpreet, he was on
Yeah,
the
and
board.
Yeah,
then I called him and told him that okay, we have got the email from home office and all.
as in all families, the charge is in the lady's hand. So every time she was the one who saw all of our email first, and she informed me. And as usually, after informing me, I on speed dial. There was a number two to Rathore Saab. Rathore Saab, this is the same. Yes, it feels good. It feels relaxed that yes, you are associated with those people, with those company, with those expert people who can help you, who can guide you out, who are available for you. Because there is some questions in your mind apart from everything. It I will be success, all our application will be success. So if to hold all that question, if someone is there, so that is your team. The team is nothing if you're not talking to your team. Team is not us. We are just applicant. Team will be completed when your team member or your solicitor is with you. And I will definitely recommend all those who are planning or who those are willing to be a part in any of the like visa route, they should once come to Mr. Rathore and the company. Yes, I feel relaxed. I feel relaxed.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your kind words. And we look forward for your permanent residency in this country very soon. Take care of Mohini, and
Definitely.
thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.